Imagine you are on death row and you are awaiting your execution. The despair and worry you would feel in that moment. This was the case for a group of young Somali scholars who were imprisoned wrongfully by their government. Now, alhamdulillah, some of their friends found out about this and they tried to help in any way they could. During that time, they were in Medina and they tried to reach out to the one Shaykh they thought would be able to help. And that was the Grand Mufti of the country at that time, Shaykh Ibn Baz. So when they finally managed to reach out to Shaykh Ibn Baz, it was in the middle of the night. And they woke the Shaykh up. And the Shaykh would naturally help people during any time of the day, so it didn't matter to him. When they explained to him what was going on, he immediately decided that he was going to wake up the crown prince at that time, Prince Abdullah. Now, King Fahd was the current king and the crown prince was Abdullah, who would become eventually king himself. And Shaykh Ibn Baz persisted and insisted that they would do something about it. The crown prince reached out to the president of Somalia at that time that very morning and said to him that they must pardon these young students and du'at. And after some negotiations to two countries, they agreed that these men should be freed and they were given a full pardon. All of this happened because of the intervention of Shaykh Ibn Baz and how he insisted that something were to be done about this. These young scholars at that time, till today, are still engaged in da'wah and calling to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. This is who the Shaykh was. He was someone that helped others in any way that he could, and he would do that throughout his life. The story that I just shared with you guys is truly one of my personal favorites of Shaykh Abdul Aziz ibn Baz, and there are truly so many to choose from. Alhamdulillah, we have an interview with one of his more prominent students that lives in the United States, and he has more stories of Shaykh Ibn Baz to share with us. So please follow the link below and see you there, inshallah. Jazakumullah khair. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.